Welcome to the Bellagio Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. Today we're taking a stroll through this luxurious resort and some of its incredible dining options. Let's dive in. The stunning Chihuly glass installation greets you as you enter the Bellagio. The installation, titled Fiori di Como, was created by renowned artist Chihuly. Let's keep walking. Ahead on the right, we'll uncover one of Bellagio's best-kept secrets, the Vault Bar. Hidden behind a nondescript door, this exclusive spot is designed to feel like a luxurious speakeasy. The Vault offers an extensive selection of high-end spirits and craft cocktails. Our first stop is the Mayfair Supper Club. This upscale venue combines dining and live entertainment, offering a stunning view of the famous Bellagio fountains. The atmosphere here is reminiscent of a classic supper club of the past, with modern twists. Be sure to try their signature cocktails and the fresh seafood offerings. Next up is Lago, an Italian eatery by acclaimed chef Julian Serrano. Lago is known for its beautiful small plates, perfect for sharing. The restaurant features floor-to-ceiling windows that provide a picturesque view of the fountain show. Their risottos and innovative takes on classic Italian dishes are a must-try. Now we arrive at Cirque. This Michelin-starred restaurant is famous for its exquisite French cuisine. The colorful circus-themed decor adds to the experience, making every meal feel like a special occasion. Their tasting menu is a culinary journey you won't want to miss. Next up is Yellowtail, where Japanese cuisine meets contemporary flair. Created by Chef Akira Back, this restaurant offers stunning sushi and innovative dishes inspired by the flavor of Japan. The views of the strip and the ambiance make it a perfect spot for both a romantic dinner and a celebratory night out. Up next is the Prime Steakhouse, a classic American steakhouse designed by legendary chef John George. Known for its incredible cuts of meat and elegant setting, Prime offers superb dining experiences. Don't forget to pair your steak with one of the exceptional sides like truffle mashed potatoes. And finally, we have Spago, another creation from celebrity chef Wolfgang Puck. This restaurant is famous for its seasonal menu, featuring fresh ingredients and bold flavors. The patio offers an amazing view of the fountains, making it the top choice for a memorable dining experience. On this day, we had brunch here. My wife had the French omelet, and I had the steak and eggs. But the standout item we had there was the cheesecake. We'll definitely be back for that again. Last stop on our list is not a culinary experience, but more of a morning ritual: coffee. The only Starbucks located on Bellagio property is down this corridor. Remember to order ahead because it's about a 10-minute walk from the elevators. Super convenient, I know. The Starbucks is located down the escalators to the left. And before you leave, I'll show you two more things. To the left is the bridge to the Caesar's Palace, and to the right is the bridge to the Horseshoe Casino. If you've made it this far, I appreciate you stopping in. For now, I'll leave you with the view of the strip, and thanks for watching. See you next time.